Um, Carrie? Carrie gone?
No.
Okay. So for this one, see, notice how it's Br2, right? That means we are going to make a halonium ion in here. Is that right?
Yes.
So,
Yeah, I just don't what you're talking about. I just want to bring them to go. Oh, I mean, yeah, that's what I like.
does that make sense?
Yes.
I'm just twisting that around to fit my need, and that one can rotate. But do you agree that will be the intermediate? Because there's halogen, right? And now, here's your nucleophile to attack.
So it's like an
It's intramolecular. Exactly.
Okay.
It's intramolecular. That's why you're able to create that ring, because that lone pairs can intramolecularly attack and kick out the Br on the other side. Notice how they're also anti.
Yes. Okay.
That's basic. Make sense?
Yes.
Now this one is more processing. So let's see what they're saying. An unknown alkene C10H16. Okay, so personally I always like IHDs, which it looks like you did too.
I think they did it right.
I'm trying to do 22.6. Yeah. Let's write here. Add to process.
I did the
So
IHD.
What do you mean?
16 IHD of.
Oh, I was trying to do my math.
But then
Actually,
it was
looking, I don't.
uses
I might use
2 molar equivalents of hydrogen. What is that term? 2 hydrogens with platinum to create C10H20, right? What is the IHD of C10H20? 1. So, what does this tell us actually? So, you started with 3 IHDs, 2 of them are destroyed, 1 remain. What does that say about the IHDs here? What are they?
It was 2 pi bonds and ring.
Exactly. 2 double bonds, pi bonds, but I think this is alkene, so I'm just going to say double bond. But yeah, 2 of these are pi bonds and 1 ring. The ring still is surviving. Ring doesn't get destroyed, right? So this is a ring. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, so what else does this question say? It's a puzzle.
Yeah.
Okay, now this is being the alkene, this guy, it's an alkene, so there's no triple bond. They're kind of telling you alkene, okay. The alkene also undergoes ozonolysis. So when this undergoes ozonolysis, it's producing these 2 products. It's producing that. Now they want us to use this information to figure out what that is and figure out what that is.
Yeah.
Right? Okay, cool. So first thing, we know we should have a ring and 2 pi bonds. Here's the ozonolysis products. How do we put these 2 together to make an?
Would these go together?
Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ring, right? So cyclopentane. And if that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there's a double bond between them,
Yeah.
and each 1 and 5 have a methyl, right?
Okay.
But then what is on 1, 2, 3, 4? What's on carbon 4?
A double bond.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, there is that. Isn't that right?
Yeah.
And there's, exactly, so can we put these 2 together?
Yes.
So that would be 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Cis or trans, you can't do with this. You can either make it cis or trans, there's no way to tell from here.
Okay.
So, does it fit the clues?
Yes.
First of all, is it C10H16? Prove that, confirm that. 1 ring, 2 pi bonds, which fits here. So what is that then?
So
What is that going to be? What will happen to the double bonds?
no go break off.
Everything else?
Stays the
1, 2,
Stays
3.
intact.
Exactly.
Just, how did we connect these? Just like that?
Ozonolysis. The
Oh.
double bond in, so you go working backwards, right? In ozonolysis, alkenes split apart and give us C double bond O's. So we thought, okay, maybe one way is to put these two together, but is that the only way? No, actually in this case, that's not the only way. Could these be together and then those be attached to each other?
Yeah. Yes.
Why not? Let's
It
see.
could, it could,
then-
it could be a cyclohexane.
I was thinking.
Hexene.
Cyclohexene.
So that's possible too, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
That was what I got.
That's fine. Sometimes there's more than one right
Yeah.
answer.
Yeah, there's
So,
alternative paths.
Then that's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have this chain coming through, right? Which is then attached to a double bond right there, which also fits the profile that we have. Does that make sense though?
Yeah, I think I just got confused because I don't know, and think in the key, the only answer it gave was that one,
No,
so I was
that's fine.
assuming that my answer was
No,
incorrect,
did you
but
come up with this?
I got that one,
No,
yes.
that's fine. No. It's probably I just thought of one and I was like, okay, I'm done.
Okay.
But no, absolutely. If you can make 5 or 6 membered rings, they're good.
Okay.
Actually, others too. But yeah, they're both good options.
Look at the structure.
But then of course that will change because now you have that to
Yeah.
work from.
So for that one, it would just be
Be the
that
same
without the
thing,
pi
but
bonds,
Exactly.
or the double bonds, yeah.
Without the double pi bonds, yeah. Exactly.
Okay,
Make sense?
yes,
Yeah.
thank you.
Yeah, absolutely. Did you want to go over